The rotation of our tiles works until we mirror the internals, and then it's not quite radially symmetrical anymore. We need to fix that, so we're setting ourselves up for that in this video. In top-level constant macros within bin geom in place, we've added this new section, mirlat lat mir, and we have a composite bit mask for the latching bits, LX and LY, composite bit mask for the mirroring bits, MX and MY, and then the shifting amount to get out those 2-bit composites. So for the latching, it's going to be LY because that's less than LX, and for the mirroring, it's going to be MY because that's less than MX, and then we're going to check our assertion here. So this is the flags we've created for the midground. We've done the exact same thing for the background bits. We have the composite for latching, the composite for mirroring, and the shift amounts for latching and mirroring. And then finally, for the foreground, same deal, the composite for latching and mirroring, and the shift amounts for latching and mirroring. We're going to use these in the next video within the MIRMAID function section, within this helper rotation function here, within this section right here. We're going to add some code. So here's some tags and some things we've been looking for and some footnotes and some stuff, and here's what we did in this video. So if you want a longer explanation, go here. You are here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail, and if you want just technical demos, no code, this is the playlist for you. Source code is here. You can email me here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. I'm Kanji Coder.